guys, in a new video. Today I want to talk with you about MQL5 Signals, exactly about top signals providers for 2023. It means they was top for during all last year, and we can easily not just recommend them but to use them in 2024. I will show you not just my personal recommendation but what I will use for my personal account. I want to show you something special in this video. I want to show you some news. I will be more public, I will be more closer to you, and you can do the same investments with me. So stay tuned till the end of this video and let's start. As I told you guys in the beginning of this video, today we will talk with you about MQL5 Signals. And if you are watching my channel, you know exactly that I'm a big fan of MQL5. But why I'm doing that? Why I'm showing you all those signals? First of all, for my personal account. The one point that I never showed my personal investment in my channel. You know, I was working in the broker company, so I was supposed to recommend one broker company, and I'm not allowed to show you some investment recommendation. This is how it's working. But right now I'm independent. This is what exactly I was looking for. I can show you whatever I want. So what I will do, I will take $50,000, I will split them to the two accounts, and I will invest $125,000 under my personal bot, because you should know that I have my personal bot. You should join my Telegram channel, because there I'm sharing all updates regarding it. There you can see the live trading. So if you are still not subscriber of my Telegram channel, do this right now. And another 25k I will invest in MQL5 Signals. So for me it's super important to do the right research and really choose the best ones. Because why I will do like that, why I will not use my personal bot? Listen guys, the most important point, the most profitable thing that I found during all my experience, this is diversification. You need to know how to diversify your risk and diversify your portfolio. And for diversification, even that I'm trading by myself, I really think MQL5 it's one of the best options, because I can see live results from the real traders in the proven website, and I can choose the people worldwide from any point of the world. I'm judging them based on their results on the live accounts, and this is really important. So let's do this, why not? The main idea, guys, of all these investments, first of all, is to make money. I will not lie to you, no, this is the charity. No, I want to make money. But the second point, to show you that in the open way, that I'm also trading, that I'm also investing, because nowadays there are so many people that's just caring about affiliates program. So that's why I want to show you in a bit different way. In the same time, I will give you option also to use my portfolio. So you can invest with me, do the same with me in my broker company, so I will get some commission. You know, it will open for me one more source of getting profit. So I will have diversification from three options. Number one, this is the profit from my personal bot. If it will not work in the proper way, I will create portfolio, let's say from 5-6 traders from MQL5 website. They will also cover for me and give me profit. And number three, of course, this is like affiliate commission, affiliate rebate, that will also give me some additional profit. And I will show you, by the way, full calculation, and you will understand exactly what is my final result. So it's very important from your side to see exactly that I'm doing like that, you can do, and what will be the final result. Last weeks I'm in active searching for the new office spaces for me, and I visit so many places and I still didn't find something good and comfortable. So today you will join my journey. I'll show you some places. So guys, I visit two offices. The problem is they didn't allow me to record there, you know, because in Dubai they're caring too much about like a personal privacy, so no need to record anyone, and there was like huge amounts of the people. Anyway, like I'm still searching, still trying to find the best options, but in general these buildings looks nice. office looks nice, and hopefully I'll find something interesting. So, where I will open the account, you can ask me exactly. You know, if you are a fan of my channel, you are watching starting from the first video, you can see that all my live accounts was in the Forex Broker company calling Val Trade. Most probably I can give you probability of 99% that you never heard about this broker company. I met her first time in 2013 or 14, just after 2 years when I joined this field, and I love this company, you know. They was very popular in my country. I was invited several times from them to be the speaker, and if you go to their YouTube channel, you can see exactly that around 8 years ago I was there, and you can see you can find my young face on their YouTube channel. And from that period of time I was really enjoying of using this broker company. Why I was never recommending to you, because in some point I was working in another forex broker company, and by the way, it's not so popular. So I don't want you to give you this type of the feelings that are pushing you to a company that you don't know about. You are scaring to start dealing with them. So that's why right now I'm also dealing with the papers. Yes, it's big brand, it's worldwide big company, and maybe you'll be way more comfortable, and even not comfortable but more confident to deal with it, because this is the big broker company, lots of regulations, you know, really nice conditions. But regarding user experience, you know, for me still Val Trade is the best. I will open 2 accounts, 25 each, and we'll start running it. So some quick lunch before showing you the best signals from MQL5 website. So right now I'm ready to show you something special. So I will start from my video that I made with this company 6 years back. You know that I was telling you about broker company calling Val Trade. So I went to their YouTube channel and defined myself. I was recording reviews about my experience in this forex business. It was 6 years ago. Then I found another video about myself. This was 9 years ago when I was talking for one YouTube channel about everything about money. I was teaching them about stock market, because as I told you, for a long period of time I was super exciting and I was dealing with the stock market. So this is the company, this is the broker company calling Val Trade, that I told you that I was dealing with them for a long time. I really like them. It's up to you, you can test them, it's up to you. I'm not pushing you to this broker company, because as I told you, if you want to be confident and you deal with me, you can easily open account in the paper stone, because I'm also dealing with them, and both of them is very good companies. But still in the end I prefer them more. I don't know why, maybe because I'm dealing with them for a long period of time, but I still love this broker company. Super user friendly, super clients oriented, and easy to fix any issue. So I want to show you one more video. You see, one of the first videos in my YouTube channel, because a YouTube channel is made especially for the video tutorials for the indicators. I start selling indicators on MQL5 website. We are creating indicators, and I was posting video tutorials to this channel. So even here you see 3 years back I was still using the Val Trade. You cannot see the name of the broker company, but because of the suffix, if you open here, it's also the suffix. Can you check their spreads? And this is the spreads, by the way, without commission. So when you're trading there, you're just paying spread. So we have 2 accounts, MT5 and MT4. Let me do one thing. Let me transfer money there. I think it's done. Let us check the account. Yes, finally, 25,000. It's already there. And we are going to the second account. This is MT4. By the way, my bot trading on MT5, and MQL5 Signals is on MT4, because as I told you in one of my videos that MT4 section is still bigger variety of the signal, and I prefer to use this one for the copying instead of MT5. And it's done. Yes, so let us go to check the account. Yes, 25,000. So this is it. So right now we are going to MQL5. So guys, if we are talking about MQL5 signals, I did last research around 2 months back. Why? Because I was super concentrated on my new trading bot. So one more time, I will remind you, if you want to stay in touch with me to understand exactly what is going with my bot, receiving all updates and receiving live trades, because there is the special bot that's streaming all signals directly to the Telegram channel, join it right now. So that's why I wasn't so active with MQL5 website, and last time when I was searching for the signal, it took for me so long time to find at least something. You see, red light, I don't like the signals at all. By the way, some of the signals, like approximately CNHN, that I love him a lot, and I was using this signal a lot for the previous, let's say, like 1 year. He became a super inactive. So this year just profit 32%. I didn't get even this type of the profit because there is some difference, you know, in his trades, in the spread, between the difference between the signal provider and the copier. So let's say maybe I got the profit of 10% of it in, let's say, like a 5 months. I decide no, there is no point to copy it at all. So last time I found only one signal that I really like. It was this signal, trading board 28 pairs. It's also not 100%. I can't tell you that I love it and I highly recommend you for everyone. Why I don't like it? Because first of all, he's using some averaging without multiplier 001. He's putting the stop loss, but mostly you see how it's big difference between the current price of the open and between the stop losses. Very, very big. But what I like that he's closing higher profit. So let's say if we're talking about 0001 and pound Vienna, he closed the profit of $9. So he's holding position not just in minus, but holding position in plus. So he's getting a chance for the bot to generate a higher plus for you. And if we're going to check his percentages of the profit, it's like pretty high. Even he's trading in the small balance. He's right now has around 48 subscribers, but even the people that also copying this signal from my site, like my clients, they're super happy with it, because you see the percentage of the profit is really, really high. So if you want, you can try like this signal with $1,000. But you understand exactly that potential of your profit is really, really high, like approximately here. Yes, so in October he made 50%. I think it's pretty nice, and it's really high profit. So this is one signal that I found. I was using it for last 2 months, and by the way, I was also happy with it. So even if in my new parsing, I also put this signal like something in priority. You see that maybe I'll put even here, I'll put the green light. It means I'll also consider him for the subscription. So what I will do, guys, I was thinking like to share with you today the signals, but I decided, okay, I need to take some more time to more detailed review, because I will push them and I'll put them on the account of 25k. Of course, I will announce you 100%. I'll make a video about that. But for right now, I decide to share with you my parsing file for free, exactly for free. What you need to do, just open account in one of the companies that I mentioned today. This is our Paperstone or Devel Trade. You can open like a demo account, or if you want, you can make a deposit, let's say like $100 to test the broker company. Believe me, you really like it, because those two broker companies are really nice. Especially you can test will trade, even like they're accepting, I think, even $20 or $10. Try it, you really like. But the pro account in will trade, Razor account in the Paperstone, really I highly recommend you something the best. Recommend you to use the best type of the accounts in the broker company. So what type of criteria I already put? I did some small filtration. So I put the price lower than $50, algo trading higher than 90%, because I recommend you just that. Weeks, I put higher than 36 weeks. It means like a 1 year, you know, so it's very important to consider for subscription signals, the trading and showing you live account for 1 year. Trades per week, I prefer to use more active signals, so I put higher than 10 trades. If we are talking about drawdown, also this is very sensitive point. I put here that less than 45%. Why I put it like that? Because people in their mind, no, I want to trade with the signal that trading more than 20% of the risk. It's not correct, guys. Let me show you this type of the signal. You see the maximum drawdown is 31%. So it means if you are searching just for lower than 20, you will never be able to find it. The point is with MQL5 website, and if you are dealing with me, I know how to put the proper money management for your account. If you are scared to lose, let's say you are depositing $10,000, you're ready to put in the risk 2,000, I will manage it for you. I know how to count the volume in the proper way, you know, and to put your account into safe position. But in the research, no need to scare to look on the account that with the higher drawdown. Everything depends how they are trading, you know, but not just the percentage of the drawdown. The same criteria I want to tell you about profit months. Some people, they are looking just for the profit months that more than 90%. So it means if the account trading like 10 months, it should be 9 months in plus. But it's not correct 100%, because we need to look on the profitable months, what size of the profit in the months and what size of the loss. Let's say if the guy is trading for 10 months, 9 months was in plus, but average plus in the months was 2-3%, but then 1 month in minus was around 30%. What is the point of the subscription to this type of the signal? Again, if we want to see exactly which signal we need to consider for subscription, this is based on recovery factor that I'm doing. Why recovery factor? Because recovery factor, this is like when we are dividing profit, net profit on the maximum drawdown. People think that this is profitable factor. So if the higher drawdown, the better it will be. In some cases, yes. So that's why here I will show you exactly number of filters greater than 3. In the books, like they are recommending to search for higher than 2. In my personal backtest, I will never choose some bot that showing me statistic less than 4. You know, an MQL5 website, because it's statistic for life account, because it's 1 year, I think, okay, so let it be higher than 3, it's more than enough. So let's move forward. Recovery factor, I think it's clear. Maximum drawdown, maximum by balance, by equity, I already explained this difference, lower than 45. Recovery factor higher than 3. Profits pips per trade, very important to put higher than 60 pips. Why it's like that? Because there are some signals on MQL5 that showing very nice statistic, but when you start copying, something is not working. Why it's like that? Because they closing very short profit, and there is some delays in copying of the signals. There is some delays exactly that I was explaining in my video about in the expo when I had the speech. So if you didn't watch it, highly recommend you to do this. It will impact your trading. So that's why higher than 50, higher than 60. And this signal, you see that I tell you, trading board 28 pairs, where I like them because profit pips per trade is really high. So 58 points the average profit. I think it's really nice results. So, and the profit trades, guys, don't run for the accuracy. I told you that several times. Still people are asking me, what is the Alex, what do you think? It's better to see only on the signal the trading higher than 80. No, everything depends on the stop loss trade. If the stop loss is very, very high, even 90%, he'll take one stop loss and he will cover all his previous profit. This is not a point at all. What I put here, number greater than, I put 50. You see, just 50%. So for me, if the guy 50% it's profitable, it's really nice. Why not less? Maybe let's say his profit is really, really high, stop loss is really small. But why I want 50? Because he's relying on the big trend movement. I'll tell you a story. We were trading before with my team. We were searching just for you know, this risk reward ratio 1:4, 1:5, and like higher. So small stop loss and big take profit. How you can get big take profit? By trend trading, trends type of the movement. And imagine we was waiting everything in the proper way, but you are trading 1 month and you didn't get this trend movement because all months was range. This is it, you are closing months without the profit. So this is it. For me, it's very important, higher than 50%, but I'm not running in the same time for 70-80. So this is it. This is the small things that I put right now. I will do the detailed research of the new signal. I'll connect to my account of 25,000. For right now, highly recommend you to get this Excel file, open an account, use it, learn it. You can send me in my private messages, in my direct. You can send me your personal feelings, which one is good, which one is not, and together with you we will build a nice portfolio that will run not only for my account, for your account, and will make a good profit. So guys, let's make some profit, let's work together, and see you in our next videos.